I wanted to give you a short video on how I made this little mottled background for my new ornaments. I figured you'd want to know, and it's really easy. You could file it under, oh, that was easy, in your files there. I use it's a big ornament. It's my medium, I guess, ornament size that I use for Lynn Andrews' little old German Santas. I'm going to be painting them on my group later. Vera and I both have all the patterns we're going to do, and they have the center that pops out, like my style of it though, because I like doing different on the frames. And this is a set of ornaments that I'm designing today, and no, they're not baby ornaments, but they're going to look a lot different when they're done. But the base for all three is going to be this mottled soft background that kind of ties in the three colors. So I wanted to show you how to do it really quick. I practiced, as you see, on other things. I'm going to get this out of the way. And what I like about my pieces is you can put the frame away and work on the center part. So to start off, we're going to use DecoArt Glazing Medium. And because I'm lazy, I just pour it right on there, about an inch of it. And I'm going to use, you can use any big brush. I'm just going to use my bigger stencil brush here to kind of spread it around, because then you get it in the bristles too, because the medium's what's going to allow you to move the paint around. And I have my three colors here, and I'm just going to start tapping them in random, which is hard for me. I'm not good at random. I like organized random. So you want almost equal colors of each, not too blobby. Okay, something like that where it looks spotted. Next, I'm going to use a mop brush. This is from Peggy Harris. It's a really soft brush. And all you do is tap, tap, tap. And it looks very pretty. You can see the base coat through it. If you get a booger like that, now's the time to get it off. And you just kind of tap on the surface. And there you have it. Now it's easy to tone it if you want a little more blue. Pick up more blue and put it in. You could pick up more pink. Just don't go crazy. The hardest part of this is telling yourself it's done and not overworking it, because like I think it looks better with the base coat showing through the tan, or it's buttermilk actually, in DecoArt, but that'll be in the instructions. And there you have it. It's a nice soft finish, pretty much like that. And with each of the three colors, it will pick up the color of the frame. The frames are going to be different too, so you're just going to have to stay tuned and see. So there you have it. Gee, that was easy. Hope you liked the little video. I'm playing with my iPad still, so it took me 2 hours to figure out how to do it, and about 3 minutes for the video. So we're doing good. Have a good day. Watch for the pattern. Watch for my updates I'll be posting later today.